How to use credit back in Temu. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use credit back in Temu. So let's get started. To start shopping with Temu credit, open the Temu application. You gotta browse through your favorite items and start adding them to your cart. Like you can see, I've added them over here. So while shopping, make sure you monitor your available credit so you don't go over your limit. Once you're ready to make a purchase, proceed to checkout by clicking over here. And once you do so, you're going to choose Temu credit as your payment method. So you're going to type these information down over here. So over here, you're going to choose Temu credit as your payment method. So you'll be required to pay a portion of your total amount upfront. This initial payment typically ranges from 25% to 60% depending on the item or your credit status. After entering your shipping address and confirming everything is correct, go ahead and finalize the payment. And once your down payment is processed, Temu will ship your order and the remaining balance will be automatically deducted from your credit over time. So now, how do you know if you qualify? To be eligible for Temu credit, you must be at least 18 years old, show proof of reliable income to demonstrate your ability to pay it back, maintain a solid credit score, a score of 700 or higher is ideal, complete identity verification to help prevent fraud. And there you go, using Temu credit. It is simple and straightforward once you know the steps. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.